Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Today we're exploring Honda and Nissan's shared vehicle platforms. We'll break down what platform sharing means, why it matters, and how it could shape the next wave of EVs. Car companies used to design each model almost from scratch. Today, a lot of the magic happens on shared bases that sit under many different cars. This quiet shift saves money, speeds up new models, and shapes what you actually get for your money. As electric cars grow and tech gets more complex, platform sharing is turning into a key strategy. A future deal on Honda-Nissan shared platforms could change how these brands design, build, and price their cars. This video looks at what platform sharing is, why it matters right now, and how it might change prices, features, and the next wave of EVs from both brands. What are shared vehicle platforms and why would Honda and Nissan use them? A shared vehicle platform is the base structure under a car. Think of it as the combo of floor, mounting points, key electronics, and safety zones that many different models can share. Instead of designing a new base for every car, a company can create one core platform, then use it for sedans, crossovers, and even small SUVs. That means fewer unique parts, simpler factories, and lower costs. Honda and Nissan both face the same storm. EV batteries cost a lot, software and driver assist tech need big investments, and rules on emissions and safety keep getting tighter. At the same time, Tesla, BYD, and other Chinese brands push hard on price and range. Sharing platforms could let Honda and Nissan pool some of those heavy costs. They could spend less on repeated engineering and more on what makes each brand special, like Honda's smooth drivetrains and Nissan's electric know-how from the Leaf and Aria. Simple explanation of shared platforms, with real-world examples. Picture a skateboard deck that several people share. Each skater adds different wheels, trucks, and stickers, but the board under their feet is the same. Car platforms work in a similar way. Volkswagen uses one core platform, MQB, for many cars, from the Golf to some SUVs. Toyota and Subaru teamed up on sports cars and some EVs that share a base, even though the badges and driving feel differ. Shared platforms are already normal in the industry, they're just getting more important in the EV age. Why platform sharing matters now for Honda and Nissan? Several pressures push Honda and Nissan toward closer platform sharing. High battery costs eat into profit on every EV. Modern infotainment, over-the-air updates, and driver assist systems are expensive to develop. Global crash rules and emissions rules keep raising the bar. New brands from China and established EV players like Tesla squeeze prices. If Honda and Nissan share a base platform, they can spread those costs across more cars. That lowers the cost per vehicle and can free budget for better range, faster charging, and nicer interiors. It also helps them launch new EVs and hybrids quicker in markets like North America, Europe, and Asia. How Honda-Nissan shared platforms could work in practice. Sharing a platform does not mean every Honda turns into a Nissan copy. The smart play is to keep what buyers like about each brand, while hiding the common parts under the skin. That's the first look at how Honda and Nissan could share platforms. Stay tuned for part 2 where we dive into the benefits for buyers and what it could mean for the future of EVs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.